Why do people make custom motorcycles? Is it because nothing is ever good enough? Is it a rebellion against mass production?
I want to build a monster of a motorcycle.
Or are these just artists trying to find an outlet of expression?
But wait, let's make a mood board.
Well, it could be all of it. A custom motorcycle is for those who want more of everything and more from everything. Guys, what the is going on? Royal Enfield Custom World just called. They want Motoring World to build a custom motorcycle based on a brand new Interceptor 650.
But it would have been nicer if I actually had someone to build the bike for us. Well, hang on.
Are you serious? You're really going to tear apart a new bike?
Yeah,
Why?
I guess we'll find out in the end. Hi, I'm Karthik.
Hi sir, good morning. Welcome to Custom World Shop.
You have an Interceptor for me?
Yes sir, this sir.
There's it. Nice.
सर गाड़ी के बारे में कुछ एक्सप्लेन करना है?
नहीं, वैसे भी अभी 2 घंटे में गाड़ी पूरी खुलने वाली है.
नई गाड़ी सर पूरी खोल देंगे?
हाँ. Why do people keep asking me that? Okay. What's up?
All good, man.
So you obviously like your dirt bikes. My question to you is, would you be interested in turning a Royal Enfield Interceptor into something that you would want to take on your trail ride?
Absolutely, man. You know me. Dirt bike's alive. And yes, I'd love to build that Interceptor with you.
That's great. So when can we get started?
We can start immediately. However, there's only one small problem. I don't have a fabricator in-house. But, chal.
Where?
Arey, chal. Chal.
हेलो हाँ ठीक है आजा हेलो हाँ ओके हेलो
Chal. I need your workshop.
व्हाट
Get out. See? Thank you. I'll be back.
I'm gonna do it.
I'll do it.
I'm gonna take the cover.
I'll do it.
Why not?
I'll do it.
Good.
This is the Sled-Hammer, a custom interceptor inspired by the desert sleds that tore across desolate Californian deserts from the 1950s to the 1970s. It's a simple beauty that's also a proper beast. The tall stance is the most important change. Aluminum wheels with proper knobby tires to scare off tarmac riders. Twin high-level exhausts to bring them closer to everyone's ears and then leave them ringing. Heat shields on either side to avoid well-done carves. A headlight guard that protects an X-shaped area of the headlight. And since there's nothing like Royal Enfield Chrome, a Mark II tank in all its gleaming glory, good old fashioned lines make the Sled-Hammer a sight to behold. But that's enough talk. Let's ride. There are many whys we think of every day, every hour, and every minute. Why the Interceptor? Because it was the perfect motorcycle for this build. Why Yogi? Because he was the perfect man for this build, an off roading mind controlling the capable hands of a mechanic. Why Shell? To add comedy, of course. Human beings can be ingenious creatures. Some of us invent ways of blowing each other up. Some acquire meaningless acronyms called qualifications and proceed to rob others blind, while still others plot and plan to rule over everyone else. However, far away from these questionable uses of intelligence, there exists a subset of people that creates mechanical entities fueled by creativity, insight, and inspiration. They are called custom motorcycle builders. Some of them make design statements. Some others make machines that provide functional thrills. The profit they seek is satisfaction for themselves and for the riders they build bikes for. Turning everyday bikes into extraordinary machines, that's nothing but magic. And a mechanic's hand has the same magic that a painter's or sculptor's does. But it's unlikely that you'll see a Mona Lisa or a David sliding around a corner. The universe has its way of bringing things to life, particularly something that shouldn't exist. But once it does, we can't do without it. When it comes to motorcycles like the Sled-Hammer, things are always a bit touch and go. The great thing is, in the end, they always end up going. Where does it end? Oh, it doesn't. This is the stuff of dreams, and there's no limit to what we can dream of.
So why take apart a brand new motorcycle? To become whole again.